Hey there, Autumn from Zappos here, and today I've got the Wiggie Lunch Kit Backpack, and it's from High Sierra. I kind of wish I had a backpack like this when I was going to school because this is pretty legit, can I just say. I think my favorite part about it is this clear pocket in the front because I would totally put a picture of my celebrity crush here so everyone could see. You know, but then of course you can put other stuff in there too, because it's a pocket and that's what it's for. The pocket behind it though actually carries a lunchbox. Got a little top carrying handle. It unzips with 2 zippers, and the inside is nicely insulated. It's gonna keep your food and drinks nice and cool. Cool just like you. You've got a little name patch here you can write your name on just in case you misplaced the lunchbox. Hopefully people are nice and give you back your lunch, because I mean, who would want you to miss out on this? I really like that the lunchbox can stay put. It's got kind of like a hook and loop design, so that way it kind of keeps it put in there, or you can just keep the pocket empty and it still stays shut. The next pocket opens up to be pretty roomy. It's got some organization going on in there with those slip pockets. There is a side mesh pocket that's great for a water bottle. Main compartment opens up with 2 zippers as well. You've got plenty of space on the inside with a little name patch on there too. It's got a top carrying handle, it's got a mesh lining, keep it nice and comfy, and then you've got padded shoulder straps that are easily adjustable. No need to wig out when you've got this cute backpack. Plus, you know, that little space where you can show off your celebrity crush or maybe just your dog or your cat or whatever. And then you've got your lunchbox too, so I mean, it's really just a package deal. Can't go wrong. It's from High Sierra.